Task 6, guys, we are getting there. So task 6, it's install rules of Galaxy. So this guy here, materials do not exist. It's what exists throughout the official training. And that's again why I'm using this name, because it's what exists in official training. And like I say here, I will not use this throughout our test environment. So it's fine. Okay, but this is how it's done. It's a no-brainer. You just install the requirements file here, and it call it YAML requirements.yml or YAML, whatever, doesn't really matter. And the role is to be installed there, and the URL to get it, it's here. Did I build a file? I don't think I did. No, I want to keep things a little simple. Never, doesn't really matter. So I just build the file. This is where the files are going to be. They're going to tell everything where the files are, where to pull them, what server it is. Then the name of the rule is balancer, blah, 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 blah. So this is the requirements file. So give it name balancer and where to put it, and the PHP info and where to put it. Okay, this is all here. So you're going to put the HA proxy and the PHP info. This is going to be used in the later exercise. So this is one of the feeds that are interdependent. So we're going to use this later on in a different exercise, on a different task. So just build the requirements, install with the Ansible Galaxy install -r the YAML file and where to install them. And you just do the list and they will pop there. So once again, this is the requirements file, or how to build the requirements file and what to put in the file. And you are off to the races. So I'm not going to need this in my environment. Task 6 is done. Like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.